Alright, good morning. It's Monday morning, day after the event. We got a bunch of stuff to ship out today. We got some snow fence to take down, refuel the rental vehicles, and pack up the RV, pack up whoever else, and head on home. Hopefully we can get it knocked out here in a few hours, but we'll see. Kind of would like to be on the road by noon, but if not, at least get home by supper time. So let's see what happens. Not sure how much I'll record, but join me in the adventure. So here's the site, or what's left of it. We're working diligently to get it all cleaned up. Alright, so we got a load of ATVs going out. We got the heavy equipment we still need to load up, and one FedEx shipment, and all the UTVs and the barriers and the tents, and that's it. And we gotta clear some stuff off the track, but so it's coming together quite well. I'm actually probably going to head out here before too long and get the RV home, and it's packed full of stuff, and so it's going to take a while to get all unloaded, so we'll see. It's going to take quite a while to drive home as well, so yeah, it's been a good experience, kind of a little bittersweet to it's all coming to an end here. Too, that the event went well, and that it's all good. So this may be my last post on the Baja, and it's been a good experience. So looks like some storms are coming in too behind me, so I kind of want to get on the road before that gets too bad as well. But anyway, it's been a good experience. It's definitely been challenging. It's taken a lot of time, and I'm definitely ready for it to be done. So I'm not even sure what to do without all the meetings and all that. I'm sure we'll have some wrap up and accounting that we have to do, but for the most part, it's all ready to go. So anyway, appreciate y'all watching. Y'all take care. Until next time.